Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in 2 times now. You're watching The Breaking Ground and I'm Deepti Sachdeva. Today our focus is going to be on a man that now has been selected, elected, whatever you want to call it, as an MP. He is a member of parliament. I just want to introduce him so that you know better about who we are talking. And even as we get that picture up on our screens, why is this man in a center of a big controversy? Look very closely at this man that we are talking about. For those of you not very familiar, this man is Amritpal Singh. Now you must wonder what's such a big deal that, we've just started our show with a mention of Amritpal, especially at a time where you see so much politics happening elsewhere and you're looking at a lot more political barbs that's been sent almost to everyone. Why is this man today so important that we have to spend our airtime talking about him? This man today has a sympathizer in a former Chief Minister of Punjab. He happens to be from the Congress party. We are talking of Charanjit Singh Channi. But before I tell you why, I also want you to look very closely at a few more videos that will now play out on our screens. Do you remember this? This again is coming in from Punjab. The year was 2023 and this was the famous or the infamous siege that Amritpal and his men of Waris Punjab, they had actually led at a police station. This is an Ajnala police station in Punjab, and you had all his men. Look very carefully at what they are brandishing. They have swords, they have lathis, and they are charging at the cops. So who has the audacity to charge at the cops to ensure that the cops run out of the police station? It was Amritpal and his men. A lot of them were injured. They sustained injuries. Very, very serious charges against Amritpal and his men. Right now, he is in a judicial custody at a jail in Dibrugarh in Assam. Far away from the national capital, he is in Assam. Charges of very, very serious nature that also includes dividing the country. He wanted a separate Khalistan. This man happened to appear for an election, the Lok Sabha election. Beat that. This man has won the election. Beat that also. And this man today has a votary in a former Chief Minister, Charanjit Singh Channi, the same party led by Rahul Gandhi, who speaks of Mohabbat ki dukaan. Beat that also. Clearly, understand what possibly could be the political compulsions of a Charanjit Singh Channi, who's a former Chief Minister, wanting to bat for him. But what has he said and what has happened? What is the controversy all about? Let's quickly bring up the top 5 questions today that emanate from this big story that we have decided to put our focus on. Why is the former Punjab Chief Minister, Charanjit Singh Channi, making a case for Amritpal release in the parliament? So he says Amritpal needs to be released. That's point number 1. What is worse is that he is making this statement in the parliament. In the parliament. He can't even deny that. This brings us to our second question now. That's also going to be up on your screens. Channi claims that Amritpal has been unlawfully imprisoned. Sahi nahi hua hai unke saath is what Channi says. Is Channi not aware of the very, very, very serious charges against this man? Is he not aware of his motive? Is he not aware of, all these dramatic images that I just showed you? And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Many say that he's been operating under the aegis of Pakistan's ISI, the deep state. And Channi, being a former Chief Minister, should well be aware about this. In spite of that, he is making this statement. This brings us to our next question now on our screens. Khalistan sympathizer is being backed by Pakistan's ISI, and he now has an advocate in parliament. So it's not a comment, remember, that has just been made off the cuff. It's a very well thought of comment that has been made in the parliament, inside the parliament, by a parliamentarian, by a former Chief Minister, when everyone else was listening, when everyone else was quiet, no one intervened. When Channi said that Amritpal needs to be released. Let's bring up the next question now on this story. Does the Congress back Channi, and why haven't they spoken till now? You had a lot of other, remember, Congress MPs also sitting in the parliament when Channi made this comment. Not a word. Not a word is what anyone uttered. What about Rahul Gandhi today? What about KC Venugopal? What about Mallikarjun Kharge? Everyone quiet. What about the allies? No response. Sometimes no response is also a response. This brings us to a final and the most important question. Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to simply watch this and do nothing? We did nothing when Amrit Pal entered the parliament. Are we again going to not do anything when Amrit Pal is being backed by a former chief minister of a state who's well aware of the dangers that he brings, who's well aware of his modus operandi? And can we just normalize this? Just another day, Channi has made a comment. So what? Can we let Channi also walk away with that kind of a comment? We'll ask those tough questions to our panel of guests joining us in just a moment. But do remember, let's unravel the story. First up, without wasting more time, I want you to hear very, very closely to what Charanjit Singh Channi today has said about him. He's saying, 20 लाख लोगों ने इनको वोट दिया है, इनको जिताया है, इनको संसद पहुंचाया है. How is it today, citing freedom of speech, that you cannot release him? He says release him right away. Listen in to that absolute shocker that has come in from the Congress.
और ये कहते हैं कि जी हर रोज इमरजेंसी की बात करते हैं कि इमरजेंसी, लेकिन जो देश में आज अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी है उसका क्या है? इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है.
So Channi is making this comment. You must have seen and observed very, very closely. No one gets up, no one objects to the kind of comments he's made. Not even people from his own party. The BJP says this is completely not acceptable. They say there needs to be action and Rahul Gandhi now needs to sack his MP.
ये चन्नी के बयान पर मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि इंदिरा गांधी का हत्यारा खालिस्तानी और खालिस्तानी का समर्थन कांग्रेस का, बाहर कांग्रेस जय चन्नी, ये भारत की संप्रभुता पे हमला है. इस पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
And wonder what about the Aam Aadmi Party? If you're aware of the history of Punjab and the history of the Aam Aadmi Party vis-a-vis Punjab, there were serious allegations that were raised by people within the Aam Aadmi Party also that did Arvind Kejriwal utilize this Khalistani element to solidify his position in the state. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party today not wanting to say a word against Channi and against Amrit Pal? Listen in.
Charanjit Channi ji ne ਕੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ 'ਚ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਹੈ. ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਅ ਐਂਡ ਆਰਡਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਐਮਪੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ 3.5 ਕਰੋੜ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਸਟੋਡੀਅਨ ਹਾਂ.
So Bhagwan Mann saying kya bol raha hai? But look at how the Congress is at pains to not say a word about what Channi has said. The Punjab Congress chief and MP Amrinder Singh Raja Waring has said, and allow me to quote, that I have not heard the complete statement, but I would like to say that due facilities as per the constitution, he says, should be provided to every elected individual, that is an MP, be it me or Amrit Pal or anyone else. He says nobody has the right to violate laws, be it anybody. So I have been saying from the first day that there should be no injustice to anyone as per the Constitution. Again, he says this can be anyone, unquote. So you clearly understand that kind of a position that the Congress is taking. Let's listen in exactly to what the Congress chief there has said.
देखो, मैं वास्तव में मैंने पूरा बयान कोई उनका सुना नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा ये कहना है कि एक चुने हुए व्यक्ति को जिस प्रकार की सुख सुविधाएं या जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के मुताबिक मिलना चाहिए वो हर व्यक्ति को मिलना चाहिए, चाहे वो मैं हूं, चाहे अमृतपाल है, चाहे कोई और है. और कानून तोड़ने का अधिकार किसी व्यक्ति को नहीं है, बीट एनी बडी, चाहे वो चुना हुआ है चाहे नहीं।
We have Anil Sarinji, who represents the BJP on the show. We also have Huda Zariwala, who's a political analyst. She leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party. And Varun Purohit, political analyst, also joining us. He leans towards the Congress. Varun Purohit, मतलब ये क्या चल रहा है? What is really going on? Channi is making a comment as obnoxious, as shocking as this in the parliament. और ना राहुल गांधी ट्वीट करते हैं, ना मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे कुछ कहते हैं, और उसके बाद जो आपके पंजाब कांग्रेस के चीफ है वो तो कहते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जी सबके लिए बराबर है, सबको समान अधिकार है, चाहे वो अमृतपाल हो, चाहे वो मैं हूं, चाहे वो कोई भी हो।
दीप्ति जी, चन्नी ने 3 बातें करी मेनली। वो करी सिद्धू मूसेवाले को जो न्याय नहीं मिला उसके परिवार को, उसकी बात करी। 30 लाख लोगों का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, उसकी बात करी। और उन्होंने
कौन है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव?
मेरी बात तो सुन लो आप। मेरी
नहीं वरुण जी सुनिए, बातें तो बहुत दिन भर सुनी है हमने, अब सवाल पूछ रहे हैं ना। मुझे ये बताइए, क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑफिशियली चन्नी जी को बैक कर रही है?
मैं आपको, मेरी बात तो सुन लो, 60 सेकंड ही सुन लो। लोकतंत्र में कुछ तो मेरे को भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दो। 30 लाख लोगों का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव की बात की, और किसानों को जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने खालिस्तानी करने का जो प्रयास किया था, उस समय आंदोलन चल रहा था, उसकी उन्होंने बात की। जो उन्होंने बात की, बार बार इमरजेंसी इंदिरा जी के रजीम की टाइम की बात करते हैं, उसको रेफरेंस देकर कर गए। अब बात आई अमृतपाल की। अमृतपाल को जब आप आतंकवादी खालिस्तानी समर्थक मानते हो, तो क्या केंद्र सरकार की कोई जिम्मेदारी?
आप मानते हैं सर? वरुण जी, क्या आप मानते हैं? आपने उनकी ये तस्वीरें देखी होंगी ना? देखिए हमारे टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पे कुछ तस्वीरें चल रही हैं।
नहीं, मुझे ध्यान है, थाने पे लेके गए थे खूब सारे आदमी पुलिस में, उसको छुड़ाना करना, ये सब सबने देखा, पूरे देश ने देखा है।
हाँ।
लेकिन किसी भी आदमी को अगर इलेक्टेड आपने इलेक्ट क्यों नहीं दिया, उसके पहले आप कन्विक्ट क्यों नहीं कर पाए?
तो आप ये बोलिए ना वरुण जी, क्या आपने इसका विरोध किया था? आप ये बोलिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी को ऑफिशियली ये कहना चाहिए कि रूल्स बदलते हैं, लेट्स सैक अमृतपाल। Instead of doing that, what you are saying is that no, your hearts are bleeding for Amritpal. That is a problem. And Huda, what happens to you today? अब भगवंत सिंह मान says, हाँ जी कुछ बोला होगा, संसद में बोला, हम क्या करें? So Huda, is the AAP right now not worried about what Congress is saying or doing, or you're happy with them wanting to obviously consolidate that hardline vote, that hardline voter in the state of Punjab? You know that is a strategic move, and that is why Channi has said what he has said.
Well, honestly, at this point in time, whatever stand that has been taken in favor of Amritpal is not a stand that is a popular stand with the, general view of the country. So
will you condemn what Channi has said? Bhagwant Singh Maan should have said that there should be action against Charanjit Singh Channi.
Maybe Bhagwant Mann did not specifically say that, but also he said that whatever Channi ji said is his personal, point of perspective.
No, how can this be a personal comment? I don't understand. It has not been made in a personal drawing room, right? I don't understand this, Huda. This comment has been made from the parliament.
I agree. But then as far as Amritpal is concerned, the entire Punjab police was also, actively involved in getting him caught, putting him behind bars. We know this man is a notorious criminal.
But Channi wants him to be a free man. Channi says he should be released. That's exactly what I'm asking you.
Again, that is Mr. Channi's personal opinion. If you ask me for my opinion, I am not going to stand and defend whatever Amritpal has done. This is a man who took the Guru Granth Sahib in front of him with an army of people.
So does Bhagwant Mann not know this? No. Again, the same problem, What netas believe is that people don't watch television, people are not aware. But I'll also get the BJP's, response here now. Anil ji, what is the road ahead? Because I have to ask you for a solution here. Why is it that we allowed a man like Amritpal first up in the parliament at all? Or like an engineer Rashid to go to the parliament? Why did we do that? Why can't we change the laws?
Dipti ji, I strongly condemn the statement of Mr. Channi, ex-Chief Minister of Punjab and presently the Congress MP from Jalandhar, who dropped a bombshell by stating that keeping Amritpal, an elected MP, in a jail is a sheer emergency by Modi government. Shame on him and shame on the Congress. Does Mr. Channi want to achieve popularity of his Congress mentors? by openly conveying his support and solidarity with staunch Khalistani element and anti-national elements. Is that so?
Why are they doing this? Anil ji, why do you think Channi has said this?
What he did was with the complete consent of Rahul Gandhi and Kharge. We should not forget this. What the Channi has said is in the genes of the Congress enacted by their leaders from Indira Gandhi. Nobody forget.
On the television.
It's proper Bhindrawale and his brothers.
Okay, Varun ji, I mean, I'm a little surprised that you didn't get so worked up when you heard what Channi has said vis-a-vis Amritpal, but you're getting worked up when, you know, Anil ji is raising a point of order. Varun ji, रुकिए ना. एक-एक करके बात करेंगे, एक दूसरे के ऊपर मत बात करिए, प्लीज. वरुण जी, रुकिएगा ना, आपके पास आए थे सबसे पहले. आप रुकिए, अनिल जी को अपनी बात कंप्लीट करने दीजिए, उसके बाद आप बोलिएगा.
तो किसी को गलत थोड़ी बोलोगे, आप बोलते जाओ, मैं कह रहा हूँ सारा टाइम तो मैं तो सुनूंगा.
अरे चन्नी जी ने जो बोला, चन्नी जी ने जो अमृतपाल के लिए बोला, वो आपको गलत नहीं लगा?
नहीं, कहाँ से आई बीजेपी की?
है ना, आपका फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है, इससे दूसरों का फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है ना सर. चन्नी जी बात करते हैं फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ अमृतपाल. रीड दैट सर.
ये किसी की जीन्स की बात कर सकते हैं तो ठीक है.
नहीं, आप वरुण जी अब आप क्योंकि इतना नहीं सुनिए. अनिल जी ना, जस्ट गिव मी 10 seconds बिफोर वी हिट आवर फर्स्ट ब्रेक. वरुण जी नहीं, सुनिए वरुण जी, आपको किस बात से इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है? वरुण जी, किस बात से दिक्कत है आपको?
नहीं, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ही कैन क्रिटिसाइज राहुल गांधी परिवार, कांग्रेस, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
तो राहुल गांधी का नाम लिया अनिल जी ने, इसलिए आपको दिक्कत हो गई.
ही यूज्ड द वर्ड जीन्स.
Yes, I can tell you. What is in your genes?
No, but Rahul Gandhi then needs to tell us whether he agrees with what Channi has said or not.
He has liberty to criticize Rahul Gandhi. I will not utter a word in between.
This debate is not about Rahul Gandhi. Everything is not about Rahul Gandhi, Varun ji.
Listen, gentlemen. Listen.
He is talking about genes.
भाई साहब आप सुन लीजिए.
ओके
भाई सुनने का
ओके अनिल जी इससे पहले हम ब्रेक ले, आप प्लीज सर अपना पॉइंट खत्म करिए.
मैं इनको हिंदी में ही जवाब देता हूं, ये हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं. आप ये भूल रहे हैं कि टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के समर्थन में राहुल गांधी जेएनयू गए थे? आप भूल रहे हैं कि टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के जो सरगना थे उनको आपने कांग्रेस का टिकट दिया, उसको कांग्रेस में शामिल किया, और उसके बाद भी अब बात करेंगे देश में इमरजेंसी की, और वो जिन्होंने खुद इमरजेंसी लगाकर लाखों लोगों को जेल में डाल दिया था, पूरे देश को एक टर्मोइल में डाल दिया था, और आप इमरजेंसी की बात करेंगे.
ठीक है अनिल जी, लेकिन अनिल जी सवाल तो इलेक्शन कमीशन पे भी उठ रहे हैं, सवाल तमाम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज पे उठ रहे हैं कि कैसे अमृतपाल जैसा व्यक्ति आज संसद में पहुंचा है. वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. व्हाई कांट वी स्पीक अबाउट दैट? व्हाट वील डू इज वील क्विकली हिट अ ब्रेक. अनिल जी मुझे एक ब्रेक लेनी पड़ रही है, उसके बाद आते हैं और यही सवाल आप सबसे पूछूंगी. Welcome back. So we are discussing that whose heart is bleeding right now for Amritpal, and why is it today that the Congress has not condemned what Channi has said. We continue to have Anil ji of the BJP, Huda Zariwala, who leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party, and Varun Purohit ji of the Congress. And Varun ji, I'll begin by asking you, Anil ji, उसके बाद आपके पास आऊंगी. एक और मौका है, आपसे वही सवाल पूछती हूँ. क्या आपको लगता है कि अमृतपाल इस समय wrongly imprisoned है? उनके खिलाफ जो चार्जेस है आपको लगता है सब फर्जी है, उनको आजाद कर देना चाहिए?
दीप्ति जी, इस पर डिस्कशन नहीं कर सकते. मैटर इज सब जुडिस. अपन कैसे कर सकते हैं कि वो आतंकवादी है नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करे या जुडिशरी?
नहीं, आपको लगता है कि वो आतंकवादी है ही नहीं? अगर कोई आपके देश में खड़ा होकर ये बोलता है कि मुझे एक सेपरेट खालिस्तान चाहिए, तो आप ये सोचेंगे कि भाई ये सही बोल सकता है, नहीं बोल रहा? मतलब क्या वरुण जी क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
दैट इज रॉन्ग. एनीबॉडी अगर जो कोई देश के खिलाफ बोलता है तो दैट इज रॉन्ग, उसके हम कंडेम करते हैं, उसके खिलाफ है.
तो ये चन्नी जी को बात नहीं पता है क्या?
नहीं, तो जब मुख्यमंत्रियों को गिरफ्तार कर सकते हैं फटाफट कन्विक्ट.
नहीं, तो चन्नी जी को ये बात पता है या नहीं पता है सर?
ये सारी जुडिशरी सारी अपनी पावर लगा सकते हैं, जुडिशरी के लिए अपने वकील खड़े कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं उसको कन्विक्ट किया?
अरे वरुण जी आप कहाँ ले गए हैं बात को? सुनिए वरुण जी, क्या चन्नी जी को अमृतपाल के बारे में जानकारी है या नहीं है?
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, जानकारी पूरे देश को सबकी है, लेकिन जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो गया तो उसका एक स्टेटस हो गया मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट का. हाँ. ये क्या कर रही 10 साल में केंद्र सरकार? कन्विक्ट नहीं कर
पाई. तो मतलब अगर किसी के खिलाफ चार्जेस है, वो कन्विक्ट नहीं हुआ है, और अगर वो गलती से MP MLA बन जाता है, उसे आजाद कर दीजिए. हाँ वरुण जी, कांग्रेस का ये कहना है क्या?
सांसद हो गया, अब आप क्या कहोगे सांसद को? सांसद को आतंकवादी कहोगे तो डेफिनेशन कैसे क्रिएट करोगे? ये तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को
सर आपको सेसेशनिस्ट
प्रोसेस को रिफॉर्म करने की जरूरत है।
वरुण जी ये कोई नॉर्मल सामान्य क्रिमिनल भी नहीं है हुडा. दिस मैन इज अ सेसेशनिस्ट. ही स्पीक्स अगेंस्ट इंडिया. His speech is anti-India. His speech is vitriolic. His speech is not about freedom of speech, Huda. And I'm sure that even Bhagwant Singh Mann is aware of this, Huda.
Absolutely, which is why, if you remember, when Amritpal Singh was in India, claiming to be this highly celebrated leader, claiming to be the leader of Party Punjab and all of that. I mean, you remember that entire drill that was happening.
I'm not going back to history, Huda. Huda, I will just tell you what has happened today. When people asked the Chief Minister, Bhagwant Singh Mann, about what Channi has said vis-a-vis Amritpal, he had nothing to say. He said, "Hum kya bole?" Why is it so difficult to condemn what Channi has said? Why is it so difficult to condemn Amritpal?
Well, again, that is a question only Bhagwat Manji can answer. But as of now, right now, the fact that Amritpal Singh itself, is brought into the parliament is obviously a question of concern. I mean, at the end of the day, nobody should be supporting this man. This man is obviously, convicted.
You're talking of an ideal situation. No, he isn't yet convicted. There are very serious charges. I have run out of time, but Anilji will get the last 10 seconds. Anilji, before we close.
बड़े दुख की बात है कि वरुण भाई ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं. वरुण जी, आज चन्नी साहब पार्लियामेंट में मोदी गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं. वो जिस व्यक्ति जो प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री रहा हो, इस समय का सांसद हो, कांग्रेस का बहुत बड़ा नेता हो, उसको ये नहीं मालूम कि एनएसए आम आदमी पार्टी की पंजाब सरकार ने इसके ऊपर लगाकर जेल में भेजा है. मोदी ने नहीं भेजा. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट. एनएसए पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने लगाया है और वो ब्लेम मोदी को. मतलब ये एक हताशा, निराशा, जिस तरह से लगातार तीसरी बार इनको पिटाई की है देश की जनता ने, हराकर घर पे बिठाया.
लेकिन अनिल जी, आगे क्या होगा?
निराशा में
अब आप मुझे ये बताइए ना, आगे क्या होगा? आप लोग कोई कार्रवाई करेंगे?
दीप्ति जी, एक बात को समझ लीजिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मोदी गवर्नमेंट का बड़ा क्लियर स्टैंड है. किसी भी तरह के देश में ना अलगाववादी हरकतों को बढ़ावा देने देंगे, ना अलगाववादियों को देंगे, ना खालिस्तानियों को देंगे.
Okay, so we will see what happens. You know, Huda, you are also under watch, and so is Rahul Gandhi, whether he breaks his silence or not, and so is the centre. Will there be action against Amritpal and action against Channi for having said what he said in the parliament, viewers? Only for what of time, Huda and both gentlemen, I thank you. We'll track the story and much more on the other side. Back with more.